Like as of right now, it's recording.
Bless their heart. Just wanted to hear my mic gain at half as compared to what it was in the last one on high, or all the way up.
Well, okay, Nomad, go ahead and do you a half test and then a full test and then bring it back down to half.
My gain's in that halfway right here. My gain's at the halfway point. Now we're all the way up at the top. All the way, my gain's all the way up. My gain's all about halfway right there.
Alright, cool deal. Let's get Mad Dog in there. Go ahead, Mad Dog. Dang, he don't want to be on the gate. Or he may had to go out there and hydrate the hydrant.
Drop the kids off the pool.
Oh, Skip's starting to come back in.
His band's starting to come back in.
Well, anyways, I'll stop recording and upload this to the tube and see how this does.
Roger.